Very nice.
Yeah.
Get a bit of salt.
It needs salt. Okay.
It is nice, but I'm used to your dishes having a lot more punch. Maybe if you season it with something like a rosemary powder rather than salt, just to give it a bit more. I feel like it needs a bit of a kick. Yeah, it's a bit.
It's very creamy.
Creamy, yeah.
Okay.
Like very cheesy.
Cheesy. It's got quite a cheesy flavour, hasn't it?
Yeah.
How did you find making the cheesecakes this morning?
A bit difficult.
Yeah, what was difficult about it?
Not knowing what to put in.
Yeah.
But I needed to ask Lara a lot of questions.
Okay.
It's pretty cold still.
That is much better because the acidity sort of seeps through the cream. It's actually, I really like that.
Well, there is flavour in the cream in that one as well.
Oh, is there? Yeah, that's it. That's really nice. I like that one. Oh dear Lord.
Inspired by.
Oh my God, that's so good. There's a whole plate of that. That just tastes a bit like cream on biscuit to me. Does it?
It needs flavour.
Okay.
It needs flavour in there.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, that's just like cream cheese on
Oh, so
horrible.
that's less lemon. That's much less lemon.
But it's a different texture too.
Oh, that's just a bit of cream, bit of whipped cream.
Oh, that's horrible. It's just literally like a tub of cream cheese on biscuit.
Without
But without the Philadelphia goodness.